Hello friends, today we will show you how to operate ease-free ventilator. First of all, we have to connect the mains so that electric 220 voltage supply will come to this ventilator. And here it is a button, you can see here you have to press. There is one switch. After pressing you will see the ventilator is getting on. This is blower based ventilator. So this ventilator has got start. In this ventilator we are having different modes. One is assist control mode, another one is SIMV, and the third one is CPAP. If you want to change the mode, let us say right now we are using assist control mode and we have to go to SIMV mode. We have to press here and then we have to, here you will get one prompt reply that change mode to SIMV. We have to choose yes. As I said, this is touchpad ventilator. As we have connected oxygen, as we have not connected oxygen, so we have kept 21%. Suppose if you want to change the patient data, I mean patient type. Now this is on adult mode. We have to click over here. Here we can see one is adult, one is pediatric, and another one is neonatal. Suppose you want to choose adult one, you have to choose adult and then you have to accept. So ultimately this will come into adult mode. Suppose if you want to go on CPAP mode, we have to choose CPAP, then we have to change whether we have to change the SIMV mode into CPAP mode. That prompt will come and then we have to choose the yes. Then ultimately you can see this is on the volume control ventilation on CPAP mode. Here you can see the data which we have to select. Suppose we have to select the PEEP. We have kept PEEP 4. We have to adjust this PEEP. That once we click here, then we can change the PEEP into 3, 4, 5 as desired by doctor, as required for patient. So now we will keep 4 and then we will accept. Now PEEP is at 4. If you want to change the tidal volume, we have to click here. Then you can, with the help of this knob, you can change the tidal volume. Like now we have set 350. Now suppose if you want to set 400 tidal volume as per the requirement of patient. So this once it comes 400 tidal volume, we have to accept. So now 400 tidal volume will get delivered. So this way we have to change the parameters. And suppose if you want to cross check whatever data we have set, how much it is getting delivered, with the help of this patient data you will come to know. This is the small box in that all the data are coming. And if you want to see in large scale, then you have to click here, then you will see how this machine is getting functions, spontaneous ratio, tidal volume, how much it is getting delivered. As this machine we have got this machine for repairing purpose, so some of the parameters are not matching, which we have to rectify, and after rectification we will give this to our customer after repairing, as we have taken CMC. So these are all basic things which we need to understand. And there are alarm setting also. We have to set the alarm, whatever alarm we have to set. You can see the graph, and this is the monitor where you will come to know the values, monitor values, and how much we are getting response from patient. So this is the basic setting which is about the Philips ease-free ventilator. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your day.